Welcome to another video, A Walk with Phil, and I'm here in West Bromwich and I'm currently on Dudley Street. Dudley Street is just off Carter's Green and I'm on the search for a particular house which is being described as one of the most patriotic houses on the street. Let's see if we can find it, shall we? Yeah, I'm on Dudley Street here in West Bromwich, and this street has been a nightmare of late. It's been closed for simply weeks and weeks on end. I think it's to do with some pipe laying of sorts, and it still ain't done. It's still, the road ahead is closed, and yeah, that's the main road now that was created back in the 70s. That went through the old Swan Village gasworks. This was the main road and still is for the buses actually that take you down to Great Bridge and Dudley, that sort of thing. But now we've got this road is not used as much as the main dual carriageway now to my left. But all this along here was shops, houses. There's big pubs along there on the left, like the Inkerman, George Hill Coach Travel. You can just see the clock there in the distance, the Farley clock, Carter's Green. And yeah, I thought I'd just have a look up here. And you can see in the distance there's a few factory storage units right down the bottom of Dudley Street, but all around there was the Swan Village gasworks. Now, I have actually done a video of the Swan Village gasworks. If you're interested, have a look at that one. That will show you what is now left of the once mighty gasworks. That was the biggest in the country. And here's another very interesting road that we will go up one of the days. It's Claypick Lane. Quite a long road down there. Obviously it was a scene of brick making down there years and years ago. And there's a cut through to a road over there. I think it's John Street. If you cut through there across the dual carriageway. Where all these trees are on the right there, that used to be a wall. I don't think it was all along here, but most of it was a long wall. I remember seeing this wall with a gas pipe going along it, or some pipe or other, and behind there was the town gasworks with its two main gas holders, and of course the large one that was demolished in 1999, the German-made clone tower. Now here on my left now we've got George Salter's. It's now called the George Salter Academy, and you got Salter 6th building there. But George Salter School again has changed a bit. Again, I'm not familiar with the school, but George Salter's we're a bit of a rival with Churchfields, and at the end of term the rumour would go up that Salters are coming, and so you'd be ready for them outside the school gates. Yeah, those were happy days, weren't they? Yeah, we've got cycle lanes along there on the right, quite a long cycle lane actually. I'm not sure any cyclists actually use it though. And it's all, they've got speed ramps along this road as well, so I'd like to discourage a lot of traffic, but of course with the school being there, it's quite busy on school days. Yeah, so what I want to do is just take you to the house that is quite patriotic. And when I say that, I think what they've done is they've They've put lots of flags in that outside the house, but not only just the England flag, but also the other flags of the countries that are playing in the current European Championships of 2024. So the house itself covers all bases for all fans, but I haven't seen it yet, so I'm not too sure what it's going to look like. So not much down here, is there? Dudley Street. We've got greenery to the left and greenery to the right. But of course, as I've said before, there was a lot more interesting back in the day. But you know, again, what the councils love to do: knock everything down, bulldoze it down, and leave you with nothing or flats. You know, we got Davy Road here. Davy Road doesn't go very far, I believe. It's just a no-through road up there. Davy Road was named after somebody called Davy. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we've got plenty of houses here on the left. And their outlook's not too bad, is it? At least we've got some greenery. Somebody looks breathless. Jogging. See a lot of joggers. I couldn't do jogging. Okay, so we're coming up to a road ahead of me on the left called Phoenix Street. Phoenix Street, of course, was famous for being a steel stockholder and pubs, and I don't know, a bit further back was brickmakers, and then it would lead on to Riders Green, and with its chemical works down there, and the Eight Locks pub, the George pub, the Bird in Hand, and it leads you to the crossroads at the bottom, which would have been the Union Cross pub. But just before we got there was a road called Charles Street that had quite a few famous West Bromwich industries. Oh yeah, really, you wouldn't find nothing now. You would find nothing original now. All the Charles Street factories are just units now. And just there on the corner, we would have had the Swan pub there. That was destroyed in 1993. A pub that should have been given grade 2 listed at least, as it was famous and probably the oldest pub there was in West Bromwich. Just there where the red sign. I don't know. Just memories now, isn't it? Okay, so what I'm going to do is just cross this road here. I'm at the bottom of Phoenix Street now, and I'm going to go up Phoenix Street. This is the scene of a very enthusiastic European Championship fan, football fan. There's a BP garage. Storage King just up there. Anyway, Phoenix Street, here we come. And yeah, I can see it. It's hit me straight away, really, right here. Just more or less on the corner of Phoenix Street. We've got this house who's celebrating the European Championships. We're here on a early Saturday evening. And there we have, look at that, eh? He's got all the flags, Switzerland, England, Ukrainians up there, I believe, Denmark, Scotland. He's got them all out there. It's a shame there's a car there, blocking the view. There's John Street. Yeah, look at that. He's got it. There's flags there, like I can see Italy, I can see France. Brilliant, brilliant, super. Oh, I see some more flags there at the corner. This is like a geography lesson. Oh, I just, you know, name that flag. German flag there as well. Yeah, superb. And of course you've got all the England bunting out there. Well, if he does that for the football championships, let's see what he does at Christmas, eh? Something else just caught my eye up here. Here on Phoenix Street. Been up a couple of times in past videos. Yeah, this pub was called the Bird in Hand here on the right, and you can see some of the original brickwork here. Original brickwork by the entrance to the door. Yeah, look, see, you can still see some of it. Yeah, more of the original brickwork here by this entrance as well. Oh no, well I when that closed, I remember it being I don't know if it was a chip shop. I think it was a chip shop. Am I right in thinking it was also an antique shop as well, or something like that? There's another pub right ahead, right up the top there. That would have been the George. That's closed as well now. Yeah, there's a few England flags here as well. Adds a little bit of flavour and atmosphere along this street in Phoenix Street. Good stuff. Anyway, I'm going back on myself now because we're coming to the end of our little video, and we have found Mr. European Championship House. And we found the European Championship House, and the European Championships are coming to the end in about a week's time, so no doubt they'll remain there until then, I'm thinking. Okay, so there you go, one last look. Okay, we're done. Right, we're done. So, okay folks, so that we're done now, and we've finished our little walk to the place where we've got a very enthusiastic supporter of the European Championships. Anyway, I hope you liked the video, and if you do, hit the like button, and also hit subscribe and hit the notification bell for future videos, and I'll see you on the next one.